Good morning. Hi, this is Travis from National Weather Service, and this is your weather hazard briefing for Thursday, March 10th. We are looking for very cold temperatures. We do have very cold temperatures across the area, record lows. Many records will probably be set this morning with the Arctic air mass that just came through, bringing some really cold temperatures. That will moderate quite a bit. We may have a few record temperatures tomorrow morning, but by the afternoon it warms up quite a bit. Still below normal, but we become more normal by Saturday and Sunday with high pressure building in. Um, Again, as I mentioned, the temperatures do moderate through the weekend. We do have a system moving through on Sunday, although it will go through early morning, so it does look like snow everywhere. It is a very light system, though, just 1 to 4 inches of the mountains, mainly the western slopes of the Central Mountains and the eastern slopes along the Wyoming border with the higher amounts, with maybe just a trace right now in the valleys. We'll be cold enough for all snow, it looks like, with this event as it goes through very early morning. Maybe a little bit of rain into the afternoon with the lingering system, but overall it looks like it will be snow, but very light amounts. Here's high pressure over us, clear skies. And then you can see just as far as the risk outlook, very cold. We do have a wind chill warning out for the eastern highlands along the Montana border and Beaver Heads. We are seeing a good negative 20 to negative 30 wind chill warnings to negative 10. So we are in that negative 20 to negative 30 range there. And then, like I said, it remains cold, particularly Friday morning. And then on the coolest side, Friday afternoon. Does warm up, but still below normal. And then we're out near normal on Saturday, then above normal on Sunday, particularly after that system moves through. We'll be at normal or around normal with that system with the cloud cover. But again, it will be cold enough for snow as it goes through early morning. We'll have some breezy winds across the area. I'll show those in a minute. And just highlighted maybe for a little bit more snow in the Sawtooth area with that western slopes in particular. Late Tuesday into Wednesday is another system, so it's right off our matrix, but you'll see that pop up tomorrow. Here's the hazards. We do have that wind chill warning to our north. I do have a avalanche warning for the heavy snow and the impacts it caused yesterday across the Wasatch down in Idaho. Southern Idaho area by Preston, Montpelier. And then here's our temperatures this morning. We are seeing that as far as our regular temperatures, as I mentioned, the wind chill, I'll show you that in a second, are lower. So very cold across the area, single digits in the valleys and negatives in our northern areas and mountains. And then here's our daytime highs today. This will probably be a record low highs as well. So a lot of these will be record lows for this morning and then record low highs for today. And then here's our wind chills for this morning. And we are seeing that pretty much across the area. We saw negative 30 at Monida just a couple of minutes ago. Our high temperatures do moderate a little bit, particularly we turn to the southerly winds, so we get away from the northerly winds aloft. So that southwest winds come back. So the Snake Plain in particular, where we get the southerly winds, warm up several degrees, not as much in our northeast areas, but that will happen on Saturday. These are back where our normal temperatures should be. And here's your temperatures on Sunday as well, right? Just a little bit more, particularly with the cloud cover that we're going to be seeing. That system does move overnight, so it does look like mostly snow, but you can see the higher amounts here are along the western slopes here, and the eastern slopes over by the Tetons. Not a lot. I mean, maybe up to 4 inches. So right now, it doesn't look real impactful, and then just kind of a trace elsewhere. And here are our winds. So we are getting up to gusts near 30, 35 in some areas, but gusts. This is more in the afternoon after that system's gone through. So we are looking to be quite active this coming week. So not only have the system Sunday, but we have one Tuesday into Wednesday, and then we also have one Thursday into Friday. And near normal temperatures with those systems going through. But normal does mean that we probably could get valley rain if those come through in the afternoon. Just the summary, there's the record cold temperatures Today happening this morning and as well as this afternoon. A wind chill warning is effective for this morning along the Montana Divide. Temperatures will moderate this weekend, becoming near normal to if not slightly above normal. But we do have another system that happens overnight Saturday into Sunday, brings some light snow, 1 to 4 inches in the mountains, particularly for western slopes, the Sawtooths, and the eastern slopes over by the Tetons. And the valleys just look to get a trace at this point. So that concludes the briefing. If you have any questions, give us a call at this number. Thanks.